Hey y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are at my mom's house and we are going to be decorating it up for Christmas, and we are so excited. Today we're going to be starting in her kitchen, and we played up and really dressed up her little china cabinet in her kitchen, so we're excited to do that this year. And if you hear somebody sniffing, Maddie's over here with us. Decorating her dining room and her kitchen area and the little china hutch that she has built in, and it looked so beautiful for the fall time, so you'll have to go back and check out that video, and we're ready to really dress up that area for Christmas too. I also wanted to mention that today I am doing a collaboration for the first time with my friend Jennifer over at Cook, Clean, and Repeat. I love her so much. Her voice is so sweet and just, she feels like she has like that little country twang to her like I do, and so I just love talking with her. We've been messaging a few times back and forth through Instagram, and we've created a really good friendship, and I just think she is the sweetest little thing, and so I'm so excited to be collabing with her today. So if you don't follow Jennifer, be sure to go check her out. I'm going to link her video down below, so after you watch our little decorate with me, you can go over to her channel, you can watch her, and I'm pretty sure that she's doing a clean and decorate for you guys. She does a lot of cook with me's and meal ideas, so if you were into that, then definitely go over and check out her channel, and don't forget to tell her that I sent you and tell her hello and send her some love. You're gonna love watching her and her little family. And then also, if you are coming over to my channel from Jennifer's, I wanted to welcome you and tell you hello, and my name is Holly, and that we are actually going to be doing my mom's house today because we sold our home and we're living in a camper right now, and so we're planning on building very soon. And so right now, well, I do this every year. I help decorate my friends and family's homes, but that's why right now you're going to be seeing a lot of decorate with me's at my mom's and my mother-in-law's. I don't have a house right now. We're going to be decorating a camper, but right now we're at my mom's house. Here's my mom.
Hello.
This is my mom, Cindy, and we love decorating together all the time. Like every year, it's just a tradition that I come over here and help her decorate for fall and for Christmas. And so we're excited about decorating her kitchen today. Actually, we've already, well, not we, she's already started in the living room. It looks really good. So we'll do a home tour later, but today it's just going to be the kitchen decorate with me. If you're coming over to my channel, I am doing like a home for the holiday series, and it's going to be like decorating lots of my friends and family's home for this holiday season. So you'll be able to see all kind of different styles: farmhouse, boho, traditional, all kinds of different styles. So no matter what taste that you have with your Christmas decor, I feel like there's going to be something here for you on my channel. So I'd love to have you over here with us, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this excites you, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside.
So here is Mom's kitchen and dining room area. It is tore apart right now. We actually just cleared off a big space so y'all could see it all. And then this is the big piece that has been built in that we made it look so pretty for fall. So you'll have to go back and watch that video. But we are about to deck this out for Christmas. We're super excited about it. We already have started in the living room, and we have a list of things that we need to get to finish the living room off. So we'll probably start with decorating this area first because we want to use as much as we can in here, and then we'll use the rest sitting out and about. It's snowing here in Alabama. This flocking is making a huge mess, but it's looking really good. You got this at Walmart last year on clearance, didn't you?
Yeah. Actually, it was 2 years ago. I just haven't put it up.
I see why.
Yeah. It's probably going to go on sale next year if anybody wants to buy it.
Look at this. I think we're going to try, I don't know, we want to do like a vintage kind of neutral, but we also want it to be fun for the kids, so we're going to see what we come up with. This is some colored lights. We love colored lights, and my dad, that's his favorite. Let us know in the comments below, do you love colored lights or do you like white lights? We grabbed Mom's box of plates out. I'm sure that y'all seen these before. Do you remember where you got these or how long you've had them?
I've had them since the 90s, early 90s, and I got them at, there used to be a store called the Family Dollar store.
They're so pretty. So she has the whole set of these. So we're gonna take these and display them in here.
So I just put this runner, it's a fur runner, down, and I was trying to just add some texture to it, so I then took this runner and placed it on top and just worked till I got it kind of like I wanted it.
It looks good layered. Like, I love this. I think she got this at Home Goods. Where'd you get this?
Probably Ross or TJ Maxx.
So I love how she layered that.
And then we're gonna get some greenery and put on top of that too. Holly saw on Pinterest this morning. We were trying to figure out what else to do to the table. And so for right now, this is what we have left from last year. We're just going to lay these on here like this, just to give it a touch of color.
And I think it matches the table setting so well.
Until we find what we really want on the table setting this morning. So we're thinking we're going to
try to find some napkins like this that are black and white striped or just a different print, not like red. We're trying to do something neutral so she can pull this out like for another season, because she has lots of red napkins. So we're gonna try to find something black and white maybe, or just white, something that has lots of a pretty pattern and just neutral pattern to go with it. And look how pretty that is. That brings it together so well. The reason that she has this fabric is because
my plans are to paint this chair black, a matte black, and then cover it with this.
That won't be on this video, but we're going to do Mom's Christmas home tour, and she'll have it done by then, hopefully. So you'll be able to see. So it'll all tie in together really pretty. So I made the hot cocoa bar. It looks so fun and festive. And we got to write something on here too. So we'll do that at the end of the video and you'll see everything kind of come together. But I love how this looks. We have the chocolate. We were going to put peppermint in here, but then we saw Mama had chocolate and marshmallows. So we used what we had. So you can make your like little hot co or like a little s'more station. I think it turned out really cute. Our thoughts. We're going to try to draw a fireplace on this, and we have these flickering lights, and we're going to hopefully prop this up back here and then put those lights, and it looks like a little flickering fireplace. But I'm no artist, so we're going to see what we can do. Mom's pretty good at drawing, so we'll take it on together. We just found some ideas off of Pinterest. We're not pulling from one certain fireplace. We're just going to use the easiest ones that we can do. So Mom has this white Christmas tree that looks like a snowman that she got at Walmart, and we always put it in this corner in her dining room, and usually she decks it out with Christmas ornaments from like all of our like little past sentimental things, but right now we're just gonna put up the white tree. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
So we are finished for today. Mom's gonna add some more stuff to it later, but you'll have to come back for her home tour to see everything. Mom has already put together this little vignette. I saw it whenever I came in and I thought it was so cute. She already shared with y'all how she styled it. And then we still have to go get the extra little napkins that we're gonna look for to go with the place settings. But so far it is turning out so cute. Mom, you wanna tell everybody about this little plate right here?
Yeah, that was y'all's Santa plate. Whenever you would put your cookies and milk out, that was when you and Bridget were little. That's what we used.
I love that little cookie plate. And then she put it here with this cute little Santa Claus because she said it looked like he was baking the cookies. So I thought this little vignette turned out cute. And then the little Frosty. And she has lots of sentimental ornaments. I don't know if she'll end up putting those on the tree or not. And then she has this flocked
Wreath.
yeah, that she got from Walmart that she put up there, and I think it's really pretty. And I absolutely love how this turned out. Do you like this as good as your fall?
I do love it.
She's had those plates for a while. And then I love how this turned out. It looks like the little serving area. This is where all the desserts go whenever we eat together. And so this, I think they still have the price tags on them. Nope.
I may have taken them.
Where did, these came from the thrift store, but for how much? Like 99 cents a
They
piece?
weren't very much. I really can't remember, but I got them for a steal.
And then these little trees, they're supposed to light up. We have to get batteries though. She got these at Petals from the Past. And these she said she got at Macy's a while ago.
They weren't nice and pretty and shiny, and being in the drawer, they tarnished.
I love how they look though. And then the red velvet cake is what we had for Sunday supper. No, Sunday
Dinner.
yeah, lunch, dinner, whatever you call it. Just love how all of this turned out. It kind of reminds me of like Christmas with Eloise. Mom said she's never seen that movie. We've got to watch it with sister now. This is her little coffee bar area. I think it turned out so cute.
Holly did a wonderful job on that fireplace.
Just don't look, there's lots of flaws. But she had these little lights and she liked it right here. And when the lights are off, it really looks like it's glowing and it is really cute. So we ended up putting the little drink dispenser thing that Daddy got her right here and these cute little Santa Claus mugs that she got from Walmart last year. And then I love this little cookie or gingerbread cookie. I think it's an ornament, right Mom? But we just put it on this plate. I know that y'all have already seen all of this, so I'm just gonna go a quick little glimpse through here. I love the little Santa and Mrs. Claus. And then she says she's getting tired of this cookie jar and this sled because she's had it for forever. So we might try to look for her another one, but I thought that it all looked really good together right here. It looks very fun and festive. And then over here we just have a cute little hand towel from Petals from the Past, her cute little snowman, and then she made this cute little bow, like whimsical bow with green velvet, and it is holding her cute little plant that we got her. It's like a little air plant in the window. And over here she just has some plates. I think my cousin Dana got her that one. Where'd you get this plate, Mom?
Where do you think?
The thrift store. So she just has those displayed right there. This way she has this old ice cream bucket that used to be my pawpaws on top of the refrigerator with the old truck. And then my niece and nephew up there. And then down here, I love how this turned out. These cute little gingerbread men. She got me, my sister, and her some of these a few years ago. And we all drape ours over our KitchenAid. And then this little muffin gingerbread tin came from the thrift store. And these are fake apples from the thrift store. And then her cute little, are these Fitz and Floyd, Mom? Oh, they're the thrift store.
Look on the bottom.
I think they're Fitz and Floyd though.
Maybe I may have gotten that.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, yeah. I think that was the Dirty Santa gift.
And then another cute little hand towel down here. And then I love this. Did you get this at the thrift store too?
Of course.
Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. She made a cake in this last year and it looked so pretty. It was delicious. What kind of cake was it again? Hey friends, thank y'all for hanging out with us today at my mom's house and decorating for her Christmas. I cannot wait to share with y'all her Christmas home tour. If you're loving these kind of videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you love my mom's kitchen, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to go over to Jennifer's channel. I will have it linked down below. She's with Cook, Clean, and Repeat, and I cannot wait to see how she decorates her space. I hope that y'all have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.